Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating the project and locking the basics. Open Garageband and tap Plus to start a song. Choose a template so tracks and instruments load fast. Set tempo, key, and time signature because they govern timing and quantize behavior. This matters for editing later. Make sure the metronome and counting are set. Once done, connect your mic, guitar, or MIDI controller via Lightning/USB-C, or use the iPad mic for a quick test, so inputs are routed and levels visible. Now you'll construct the arrangement by adding and recording tracks. Tap Plus to add audio or software instrument tracks and name them to stay organized. That helps during mixing. Record with punch in /out or multiple takes and use comping to pick the best phrases. For quick parts, use smart instruments or connect a MIDI keyboard. Loops speed up arrangement by dragging them into the timeline. Once recorded, trim regions, add fades, and quantize when needed so timing and flow feel consistent before mixing. Finish by balancing and exporting your work. Start with volume and pan adjustments, then apply basic EQ and gentle compression to make parts sit. Add reverb or delay for depth, but don't overdo effects. When satisfied, use Share Song to export WAV, OCC, or GarageBand project to files or iCloud, or send stems to another DAW. If something goes wrong, like no audio input or glitching, check your cable and input device. Verify iPad mic permission, then restart GarageBand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.